Hi, it's Jim here. So today is going to be a tutorial video on how to remove unwanted people in the background, just like this. To start, open your Snapseed app. Tap anywhere on the screen to open a photo. Pick the photo that you want to edit, click Tools, and choose Healing. Healing is a tool where you can selectively remove parts of the image. So click that. To use this, tap or draw with your finger over the area that you'd like to remove. To achieve better results, you can zoom into your image by pinching out or double tapping the screen for smaller details. Continue drawing over unwanted people until you're satisfied with the results. Once you're finished, click the check mark found at the bottom right corner of the screen. Save the edits by tapping the export button. There are three choices in saving your photo. We have save, save a copy, and export. Select save to overwrite your original photo with the edited version. You'll no longer see the original image in your Photos app. The photo saves with non-destructive editing, so your edits can be removed or modified at any time. Select Save a Copy to save your edit as a separate photo. You'll have both the original and edited versions of the image in your Photos app. The image saves with non-destructive editing, so your edits can be removed or modified in the future. Select Export to save your edit as a separate photo with permanent changes. Your edits can't be undone or changed after saving. In this photo, I will pick Export. Tap Modify. You can now view the image in the Photos app. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Just click the red button below and hit the notification bell. So if you have any suggestions on what I'm gonna make next, just let me know, guys. So bye, see you in my next video.